Hello everyone! In this video, I will share some of the best alternatives to YouTube that you can try. Whether you're looking for different content, more control over your data, or new opportunities to connect with creators, these platforms have something unique to offer. Let's get started. YouTube has been the dominant platform for online video content for over a decade, becoming a household name worldwide. With billions of active users and a virtually endless library of videos, it has revolutionized how we consume, share, and create media. However, despite its global popularity and convenience, YouTube is not without its downsides. In recent years, several changes have sparked criticism among its users. For instance, the removal of the dislike button has made it harder to gauge community sentiment on videos, particularly for those seeking honest feedback. The growing frequency of ads, which often interrupt videos at inconvenient times, has further impacted the user experience. Additionally, privacy concerns related to Google's ownership and data handling practices have prompted many to seek alternatives. Fortunately, there are numerous other platforms worth exploring, each offering unique features and advantages that cater to different audiences and creators. By diversifying the platforms you use, you can enjoy a tailored viewing and content creation experience without relying solely on YouTube. For viewers who appreciate polished, professional productions or are fans of popular shows, Dailymotion and Vimeo are excellent platforms to consider. Dailymotion is a destination for high-quality videos curated from some of the world's leading publishers, such as Cosmopolitan, Vogue, and Rolling Stone. Its library includes trending news, lifestyle content, entertainment, and more. Unlike YouTube, Dailymotion focuses exclusively on publisher-uploaded content, which ensures that the material is of professional standard. While this means individual creators cannot upload their own videos unless they are verified publishers, Dailymotion remains a great choice for those seeking trusted and engaging media from well-known brands. Vimeo, by contrast, caters to independent creators and professional filmmakers, offering tools designed to elevate creative projects. It provides features such as seamless ad-free viewing, collaborative editing tools, and a platform for showcasing work to potential clients and collaborators. Vimeo also supports job searches for video professionals, making it a hub for those in the industry. Free accounts are available, but upgrading to premium subscriptions unlocks expanded storage, detailed analytics, and branding options, making it a powerful platform for serious creators who want to maintain control over their work. If flexibility, monetization, and branding are priorities for creators, Rumble is another solid option. This platform offers a suite of tools to help creators manage their content effectively, including customizable video players, content licensing options, and robust hosting features. Rumble's mobile app ensures that creators can stay connected on the go, while its strong commitment to free expression distinguishes it from more traditional platforms. For creators who want control over how their videos are shared and monetized, Rumble provides a practical and reliable solution. For those who value decentralization and freedom of expression, distributed platforms like Odyssey, Storify, and PeerTube provide groundbreaking alternatives that challenge the conventional centralized model of video hosting. Odyssey is built on blockchain technology, making it a decentralized and censorship-resistant platform. Videos are hosted across a blockchain network, ensuring creators retain ownership of their content and can monetize it through a transparent system. This innovative approach not only supports freedom of expression, but also allows creators to bypass the traditional barriers of centralized platforms. Storify takes a collaborative approach to video creation. It enables users to propose video project ideas, which can then be approved and developed collaboratively with other creators. The platform also features a built-in social media network and a unique credit system known as Blaze Points, which rewards users for their contributions and activity. Storify is ideal for creators who thrive on collaboration and want to connect with like-minded individuals. PeerTube offers an entirely different model as it is open source software rather than a traditional video hosting website. This decentralized platform allows users to host their own PeerTube instances or join existing ones, giving them complete control over their content and its distribution. PeerTube's structure empowers creators to avoid reliance on corporate platforms, making it particularly appealing to those who prioritize independence and control. For live streaming enthusiasts, Twitch remains a leading choice. Initially established as a gaming-focused platform, Twitch has since expanded to include a wide variety of content, such as music performances, art demonstrations, fitness sessions, and talk shows. Its live chat features allow audiences to interact directly with streamers, creating a highly engaging and community-driven experience. With apps available on nearly every device, Twitch is one of the most accessible options for live entertainment, appealing to audiences and creators alike. If you prefer platforms that offer expansive libraries of educational and thought-provoking content, TED and the Internet Archive are invaluable resources. TED has become synonymous with inspiring talks from experts and visionaries across a broad spectrum of fields. Covering topics such as science, technology, personal growth, and global issues, TED's library is available in over 100 languages, making it a platform for intellectual enrichment and cross-cultural exchange. Whether you're looking to learn something new or find inspiration, TED offers content that sparks curiosity and innovation. The Internet Archive, often referred to as a digital library of the Internet, offers an unparalleled collection of videos, including classic films, documentaries, educational resources, and historical footage. With over 6 million videos available, most of which are free. It is a treasure trove for researchers, educators, and anyone interested in exploring a vast array of media. Additionally, users can upload their own videos, making it a valuable platform for those who want to contribute to the preservation of digital content. Each of these platforms brings something unique to the table, allowing users to discover and engage with content that aligns with their specific needs and interests. You know what's even better than using all these free video platforms? Doing all your browsing and viewing safely without anyone tracking or stealing your data. Using a VPN such as NordVPN, you can privately browse the web and even unlock content that is blocked in your location. Click the link in the description to try NordVPN risk-free with their 30-day money-back guarantee.